Today we're going to show you how to put a skin on the brand new PlayStation 4 Dualshock 4 controller. We have our WraptorSkinz here. Before you put any skin on any device, you should make sure it's extremely clean. Get as much dirt off and oil from your hands that can prevent the skin from sticking properly. Before I get started putting the skin on, I'm going to go ahead. This is how you'll receive a skin when you get it from us. I want to go ahead and remove all the excess pieces. Anything that doesn't get applied to the controller, we'll get that off the sheet first. It makes it a little easier when you're actually applying the skin. Okay, now that we have all of the excess removed from the skin, we're about ready to get started here. I won't spend a lot of time on the simple pieces like this, and this. Pretty much straightforward, they're easy to apply. We'll get those applied and then we'll move on to the more difficult piece, which is the piece that goes around the top and the handle. It wraps all the way up around the top, down the side, then across this handle here. We'll show you how to install that piece perfectly without any wrinkles or bubbles. It'll look great when you're done. So let's get started. Now I'm using an X-Acto knife here to apply these. You can use a pair of tweezers or anything like that. Just something that's a little easier than holding it with your fingers. Now you want to make sure you keep the orientation straight so the skin goes on the right direction. The skin will align properly. Just like that. So we're looking pretty good here so far. And as you can see, all the design, it matches as it wraps around. This matches up to here. The most crucial part about putting this on is alignment, to get it started correctly. If you get it started correctly, you'll have no problem getting this part of the skin on, and it'll line up perfectly. The key part is, if you notice, this part right here matches up to this. You want to take this outside point here and you want to start it right there, and then you want to make the skin follow this edge all the way around here. Once you get that lined up, you're good to go. Make sure that lines up right along that edge. Push that edge down, and from here you're set. All you gotta do is walk it around. Just take your thumb, and you can kind of guide it as it goes down, and just slowly move your thumb up. Push that back piece down like that. Come up here and get this piece. Now you want to come up here and you want to work your way around just slowly back and forth, keeping the wrinkles out. If it sticks down, you can pull it up a little bit and just keep working all the way around. You got these two relief cuts here. You kind of don't want to put that part down yet. Put everything down up to those relief cuts and just keep working your way around the skin. Come up and get this part, get that part down there. Now you're ready to put the bottom part on. Start in the center, just kind of keep working it. Once you get it down in place, then you can push it firmly in place. Now some of the places might lift off where you didn't push it down firmly enough. Just go back and rub it down really hard once you get it all in place. The adhesive is pressure sensitive, so the harder you push, the better it will stick. So if you start out with just by putting it down gently, you can always peel it back off if you need to. That looks pretty good. We'll go ahead and get the other side done. Once again, same routine. You want to line up this point right here with this section right here on the controller. Take your time, make sure you get it right. And then you work your way down this side and keep it right in line with that seam on the controller. Push the side down a little bit here. Make sure that bottom part does not lift up. And then you can just kind of slowly work your way around, kind of guiding it with your thumb to make sure everything's lining up correctly. Push that back section down. Now we'll come and do the side and the front part of the handle. Again, work it slowly down there. Go too fast and you might get a wrinkle in it or a bubble. You can always pull it back up and reapply it. Now that we got this section up here done, we'll do the bottom part of the handle. We can lift it back up a little bit. Make sure we don't have any wrinkles in it. There you go. And here's the final result. Thank you very much for watching. Please visit us at WraptorSkins.com or uskins.com.